Are you carrying things in your neck? Is that your favorite thing to do now? Carry all your boxes tucked in your neck? Come on. Can you get more? Get some more boxes. Go get some more. You can fit a couple more in your neck rolls.
I'm not fat. Now you have big bones.
Come on, you got it. Put that one in there. Good girl. Bring Daddy one. Thank you. Good job. That one doesn't fit in there. Can you get them all? Get a whole bunch. Good job. Good job. Good job. There you go. There you go. Okay, say bye, McKenna. Say bye.